Good morning, class 12th E students. Myself Arun Kumar Upadhyay. Today we shall study in chemistry subject unit 2 solutions. Colligative properties and determination of molar mass. The vapor pressure of solution decreases when a non-volatile solute is added to a volatile solvent. There are many properties of solutions which are connected with this decrease of vapor pressure. These are: first, relative lowering of vapor pressure of the solvent. Second, depression of freezing point of the solvent. Third, elevation of boiling point of the solvent. Fourth, osmotic pressure of the solution. All these properties depend on the number of solute particles irrespective of their nature relative to the total number of particles present in the solution. Such properties are called colligative property. Relative lowering of vapor pressure. Raoult established that the lowering of vapor pressure depends only on the concentration of the solute particles and it is independent of their identity. The equation P1 is equal to x1 P1 naught establish a relation between vapor pressure of the solution, mole fraction and vapor pressure of the solvent. The reduction in the vapor pressure of solvent in bracket delta P1 bracket close is given as delta P1 is equal to P1 naught minus P1 is equal to P1 naught minus P1 naught x1 is equal to P1 naught in bracket 1 minus x1 bracket close equation 1. Knowing that x2 is equal to 1 minus x1 equation 1 reduces to delta P1 is equal to x2 P1 naught equation 2. In a solution containing several non-volatile solutes, the lowering of the vapor pressure depends on the sum of the mole fraction of different solutes. Equation second can be written as delta P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to P1 naught minus P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to x2 equation third. The above equation can be written as P1 naught minus P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to N2 divided by N1 plus N2 equation 4 in bracket since x2 is equal to N2 divided by N1 plus N2 bracket close. Here N1 and N2 are the number of moles of solvent and solute respectively present in the solution. For dilute solution, N2 much less than N1, hence neglecting N2 in the denominator we have P1 naught minus P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to N2 divided by N1, equation 5, or P1 naught minus P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to W2 multiplied by M1 divided by M2 multiplied by W1 is equation 6. Here W1 and W2 are the masses and M1 and M2 are the molar masses of the solvent and solute respectively. Now today homework, write and learn colligative properties.